Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present a new dance. It's called Nola Rules. The song is Living It Up. The artist is Ja Rule featuring Case. And the choreographer is our very own SISCO. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. If you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. Also, check out the Nola Southern Experience, the 4-day line dance weekend here in our beautiful city, New Orleans, Louisiana. July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. The Nola Southern Experience. For details about registration, the hotel, and the event itself, please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. And here we go.
Come on, baby. Do a roll. Low key. We
There you go, NOLA rules. Make sure you check out the NOLA Southern Experience, July 11th through the 14th, 2024. The NOLA Southern Experience. Visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com. Remember, I'm going to post the instructional right here. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.